Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunter with this golden outfit and dress and press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. Alright, first of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it with this purple color and put on this earring, make it this color, and this earring as well, and then this necklace, you can make it like this, and then this necklace, make it to go to and color it with this color, and then this boots you're going to make it white and also gold. Okay, and the next one we're going to go to this masculine area and put on this top, and for the top we're going to make it metallic, and then for the color you're going to make it white, this white color. Okay, and then the next one you're going to put on this item and then make it white. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the next area. You're going to go to this jeans area and then put on this short jeans, and then you're going to color it with this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then you're going to make it metallic. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this microphone, this one, and then I'm going to go to this belt area and I'm going to put on this belt, and for the belt I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the second selection make it this color as well. Oops, sorry, for the second selection you can make it this color. Okay, this is for the color code, and then you're going to add the chains, and I'm going to move to the dressing room and go to the currency items, and then you're going to put on this top, and then we're going to remove everything. Okay, and then for the color we're going to make it this broken white color for all the selection, and then I'm going to make it metallic. Okay, and then I'm going to I'm going to go back to the dressing room, go to the coats item and put on this dress, and we're going to choose top only, and we're going to apply this white color, and for the second selection I'm going to make it gold, this gold color. Okay, and for the third selection as well. Okay, and then sorry guys, I'm going to go back to this area and put on this jacket from the masculine item, and for this jacket we're going to apply black color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, make it glitter, and for the third selection we're going to make it gold. Okay, and for the fourth selection as well, make it gold, and then I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this sleeves, this one, and then make it gold. For the texture make it glitter, for the color make it gold, and I'm going to go back to the dressing room and we're going to go to the currency items and put on this top and then choose toggle 3, and for the color you're going to make it this gold color, and then you're going to make it glitter. Okay, done, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunter with this golden outfit and dress and press. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!